The bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Even though medicine continues to evolve, many homemade remedies are just as effective as ever. Some have even had that same effectiveness proven by science. Although many people often prefer to use conventional remedies, don't underestimate the wisdom that your grandmother gave you. Check out some of the home remedies that have been infallible for decades. 1. Honey for a cough. To get rid of a cough, try taking 2 tablespoons of honey 30 minutes before bed. According to some research, natural honey is more effective than cough syrup because it helps relieve your symptoms and helps you sleep well. 2. Alcohol and vinegar for ear infections. To protect your ears from infection, some doctors propose this simple and effective recipe. Mix equal parts white vinegar and alcohol in a glass. Put a drop of the solution in the infected ear. You'll feel a warm sensation, but just relax and let the liquid treat your ear. 3. Vegetables for strengthening and whitening teeth. A lot of people know that carrots help strengthen and clean teeth. What few people know is that eating cucumbers has the same effect. Cucumbers contain a lot of potassium, vitamins A and K, and antioxidants. These all help to whiten and strengthen your teeth. 4. Gargling with cold water. Experts found that people who gargle using only cold water decrease their risk of getting a cold by up to 3 times over those people who don't gargle. 5. Ice pack for a migraine. This method was first described in 1849. The ice pack on the back of the neck relieves some pains that can lead to a migraine. 6. Baking soda and vinegar foot bath. Soaking your feet in water mixed with baking soda and vinegar is an effective remedy to eliminate fungus on the feet. 7. Garlic compress to remove warts. Garlic soaked in water is an excellent trick to eliminate warts. Cut the garlic very thin and pour some boiling water over it. Dip gauze into the already warm solution and press on the wart. Repeat the procedure several times a day until it disappears. How many of these tips did you already know? Leave a reply below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.